So how to add your NatWest card on Apple Pay? So to add your NatWest debit card onto Apple Pay, if you open up the NatWest app, you'll just want to go ahead and click on your current account right here. Then once you've done that, click Manage Cards and Apple Wallet, and then it will open you up to this page here, and nice and simple, click on Add to Apple Wallet. Then from there, it will pull you through to this page here, where it will say Add Card to Apple Pay, and you want to go ahead and say Next. Then from there, you'll just need to wait for it to load, and then you'll be greeted with some terms and conditions, so give them a read, and if you agree, click Agree. Then again, you might need to wait a little bit more, and then once that's done, you'll get this notification here, which will notify you that your card is now added to Apple Pay. And if you want to go ahead and set it as your default, you can do so by selecting Add to Default right here. And there you have it, and your card is now added to Apple Pay. And if you open up your Apple Wallet, you should also see it here. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.